The purpose of this video is to demonstrate how to install our steel doors on zero clearance fireplaces. Our steel doors for zero clearance fireplaces are very easy to mount. There's no drilling necessary with these doors. The doors have mounting screws that snug the door into the opening. Once the door is in place, you simply screw the door tightly down by screwing in the 4 mounting screws. The installation couldn't be easier. Simply fit the door into the opening, open the door, and snug down the 4 mounting screws. All of our doors come from the factory, fully assembled and fully adjusted. Normally, there's very little adjustment that will be needed on site, but let's talk about how you do make adjustments when you have to. In this particular situation, we have one part of the door that's sticking out further than the rest of the door. To fix that, we open the door, turn back on the screw, and pull or push the frame into alignment. Now that the door is installed and adjusted, you want to clean the glass both inside and out using a product like our Design Specialties glass cleaner. I hope you found this video on installing steel doors on zero clearance fireplaces helpful. If you have any questions on measuring or installing glass doors on fireplaces, please feel free to call or email us and we'd be happy to help. Thank you very much.